It's Miss Parker. I am here to talk to you guys about comparing numbers. And I hope that yesterday's video of expanded form was helpful and that you guys remembered some of those things that we have been talking about at school. So we're going to move right along and talk about comparing numbers. When we compare numbers, we use three symbols. These three symbols, okay? So what I like to remind you of is that these monsters love to eat. So sometimes we draw some teeth in our monster's mouth, just like that. And they like to eat the digit that is the biggest. They don't like the small stuff. They do not like just a little bit. They want the biggest digit they can get, okay? So I want you to keep that in mind while we do a few problems. All right, so let's start out kind of simple. 83 and 47. Which of those digits is bigger? Which one? 83 or 47? 83, that's right. So we want our monster to eat the biggest number. So we're going to turn his teeth toward that big number, okay? All right, let's get a little harder. Ooh, 56 or 54? Which of those digits is bigger? Think really hard. Which one is bigger? Great job. So we're going to turn his teeth toward the big number. Good job. All right. Let's get even harder. Okay. So what we have to do now that we have up to the hundreds place is we have to really look in and dig into these numbers, okay? We need to make sure that we pick the biggest one. We do not want to upset Mr. Crocodile, okay? So each of them have a 1 in what place? The tens place? No. They have a 1 in the hundreds place, okay? So that number's the same. So we don't know yet. Now let's look in the tens place. A 2 and a 5. Which number is bigger? Would you rather have 2 donuts or 5 donuts? I don't know about you, but this has got me wanting donuts. All right, so we know that a 5 is bigger. We'd rather have 5 donuts. So we're going to eat 152. Okay? All right, let's do another one like that. All right. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to figure this one out on your own. I'm going to give you just a second. If you need to, you can push pause to give you a little longer if it takes you a little longer. Okay, let's look at the hundreds place. A 1 and a 1. That's the same. Let's look at the tens place. A 6 and a, a 6. Another 6. So now we're going to have to look at the ones place. Let's look at the ones place. A 4 and a 1. All right. How many donuts do you want? 1 or 4? I would rather have 4 donuts. So we're going to make him eat the biggest number, 164. Did you get it right? I bet you did. Okay. Let's get a little harder. Okay, 989 or 999. Okay, let's compare. Hundreds place, a 9 and a 9. Tens place, a 8 and a 9. Which one would you rather have? 8 or 9? Oh, there we go. 999. Now, when you get used to doing this and you've done this several times, you can just remember that chart in your head on what number is bigger, and you can just compare in your head. Sometimes it's easy to picture a number line in your head. You know that a number line for you guys starts with a 0 and it goes up. So you want the numbers that are at the top of the number line, okay? So picture whatever you have to in your head and try to figure out which number is bigger. I'm sorry, Izzy is barking in the background. She is wanting to play, and I've tried to tell her I cannot play right now. All right. We're going to do one more. Okay, here we go. All right, look at this one. 752 or 52? Which number is bigger? Yeah. So even though it has the same tens and it has the same ones, it has no hundreds. So that number is definitely not bigger. Think about money. Okay, in my classroom we use class cash. Would you rather have $752 to spend on Friday or just $52 to spend on Friday? Yeah, it makes it a lot easier. So maybe it would be best for you to think about money, if that's something that you're comfortable with. That's definitely something we're going to be getting into in the upcoming weeks on the videos. All right. Well, that is all for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's math lesson. And I want to encourage you, do something fun outside while it's pretty. Jump rope or build a fort or play tag with your brother or sister, okay? Or, you know what Hunter did? And it was very nice. This morning I woke up and he was putting away the dishes in the dishwasher. Do something nice for your mom or dad. It gives you something to do. Bye, guys.